Hi, my name is Gulfam Kamal and I am guiding you today on how to grow your chiropractic clinic with powerful on-page SEO strategies. At Optimize Karo, we offer a full digital marketing package for chiropractors, including SEO, content creation and local marketing. If you are a chiropractor and struggling to get traffic, bookings, or visibility on Google, you are in the right place. This video is going to show you step by step how on page SEO can transform your online presence and get you real results. Let's start with the basics. What is on page SEO? On page SEO means optimizing each individual page on your website so Google understands what it's about and show it to people searching for your services. And some people even confuse about the on-page SEO and off-page SEO. On-page SEO components are content, image optimization, keyword placement, HTML tags, internal links, metadata, and URL. And off-page SEO consists of backlinks, guest postings, social promotion, listings, and PR. For chiropractors, it means your homepage, service page, and blog post are all designed to target your local audience. So that when someone searches chiropractor near me or back treatment in any city like Melbourne, your site comes up at the top like the website shown in the videos. As a chiropractor, your business depends on local visibility. Most of your clients are nearby and they find clinics like yours by searching on Google. But if your website is not optimized, you are invisible. At Optimize Karo, we have worked with the clinics who were stuck on page 3, and after just a few months of focused on page SEO, they started getting 30% more appointments just from organic traffic. Here we show one of our chiropractor client website traffic before and after on-page SEO. Now let's break down the exact steps we take when optimizing chiropractor websites. Here is a full checklist we use at Optimize Karo and I will explain each one clearly. First one is title tags and meta descriptions. These are what users see in Google search results. We make sure they include target keywords and location, like experienced chiropractor in Dallas. Here is the example of fully optimized title and description. It means he targets the low competition keyword with high search volume. Second one is proper headings, means H1, H2 and H3. Each page needs one main H1 heading, usually the page title, and several H2 or H3 headings for structure. We include keywords like back pain treatment, spinal adjustment, etc. Here we show a complete heading structure layout of a website which use proper optimized title and headings as shown in HTML preview of a website that help him to rank on Google. Component is keyword rich and natural content. We don't stuff keywords, instead we write natural, helpful content using phrases people search for. For example, safe chiropractic techniques for sciatica relief. Fourth one is image optimization. Images need proper names and alt text. Instead of default name, we use optimized and well-researched keywords like chiropractor, adjusting patient and others. We also compress the size of images which improves the performance and speed of website. As a result, Google understands our content. Fifth component of on-page SEO is internal linking. We add links between pages. For example, your services page should link to contact or book appointment. This keeps users engaged and improves SEO. Sixth component of on-page SEO is mobile responsiveness. Over 70% of the patients will visit your website from their phone. We make sure your design works perfectly on all screen sizes. We use multiple tools for checking the live preview of mobile versus desktop site. At Optimize Karo, we use professional SEO tools to audit and improve every page. Here are a few we trust and use regularly. First one is Google Search Console, which is used to track traffic and fix errors. Here we show Google Search Console interface and its all option and all the records of the website are kept in it. We use page speed insights to improve site speed because here we can check accessibility, performance practices and SEO score of the website. By this tool we can also check our website errors. Last one tool we used for on-page SEO is SEMrush or Ahref. It is used for keyword research and technical audits. Because here we can get domain overview, traffic analysis of a website, organic research, keyword gap of a competitor, backlink gap. Also, we can get keyword overview, keyword magic tool, keyword strategic builder, position tracking of a website, backlink analysis, backlink audit, and bulk analysis of websites. We can also get site audit, map rank tracker, and other features of a local site. I will show our chiropractor SEO content strategy. Actually, content is king in one on-page SEO. We plan out monthly blog posts and content updates targeting long-tail keywords like: is chiropractic care safe during pregnancy? Chiropractic treatments for death stroke pain? What to expect in your first chiropractic session? We also optimize service pages with detailed description, FAQs, and call to actions. We make an example of how your chiropractor website can be optimized by just its content. You can just check its factor in this picture. If you are a chiropractor and want your website to rank higher, get more patients and stand out locally, then let Optimize Karo handle your SEO. We have helped multiple clinics grow their online presence and we can help you too. My name is Gulfam Kamar and if you found this helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe for more marketing tips and feel free to contact us through the link in the description. See you in the next video.